guys, welcome back to my channel. This video will be my 7th vlog for this summer, and that will be about my day life at Piracicaba city in Brazil. This video will be pretty normal vlog than other couple past vlogs that I took, like traveling or performing or eating lunch. But it will be my normal vlog. It's like just day life, how my life is doing during like vacations. I have a couple things to do. I'm going to do some cleanings and laundry, and then I need to go to shopping. So even though this is a normal vlog, you can see around the Piracicaba a little bit because I'm going to walk to the grocery stores, which is only 5 minutes away. So I can walk around and see a little bit, especially the shopping, area. So yeah, so this video will be normal, but can be special for you guys, so. Alright, I just ate breakfast, then I need to do some laundry, so let's get to work here. Okay, so I need to do some laundry now, and I put some clothes already in there, in the machine, you can see. And then I need to put some soap and conditioner for my clothes to get smooth and good, smells good. So I'm going to put that quick, give me just 1 second. There we go, and then put some conditioner in here as well. Some conditioner in here. Alright, let me just do that. Alright, that's good. Then turn it on. Then I'm doing the normal. Alright, that's good for laundry. There we go, washing is working. And now I'm doing some vacuuming. So see you guys soon actually, yeah. Okay, I did a vacuum and then I took some relax while I'm waiting for laundry, and then laundry's done. I just gotta close and then I just need to put them on the dryer, so I need to let it dry. So I'm gonna let me do that quick. So there you go. Hello, you can see that I'm outside. I'm on my way to shopping around. I came from that hill, where my apartment is. Then I'm walking to the grocery store right now, and it's really hot. It's winter here. As I mentioned in the past vlogs, it's crazy, but it is what it is. It's really hot. Alright, I'm going to walk past here because there's no car. Hey, I'm gonna see you in the inside the grocery stores, okay? See you soon. Okay, I'm at the grocery stores here. I need to buy some stuffs. I'm here to buy eggs. Let me see. There There we go. This is really a good one, I think. I'm gonna put this on my cart. Yeah, so this is a nice grocery stores in Piracicaba. Only 5 minutes walking from apartment, which is good. Yeah, we have a lot of good stuff here. We have meats, fruits, snacks, everything. So, alright, I'm gonna keep shopping and then see you guys soon. Okay, so I got all my shopping. You can see I have a stuff here. And this is the name of the grocery. Sabagana. Sabe Nago actually. I read it wrong. Sabe Nago is the name of the shopping grocery stores, and then I'm walking back to my apartment, which is about 5 minutes away from here. Again, welcome to Piracicaba. Amazing. Alright, I need to walking, and I'm going to see you in the apartment. Okay, just came back from shopping. Little tired from walking on the hills and with the heavy stuffs, and it was a little bit humid, and it's normally not humid in Brazil, because it doesn't really rain a lot here. Normally it's rain in January, which is summer in Brazil, but it's really dry. But some reason today was a little humid, and I could feel that, and it was really hot. So yeah, yeah, I'm just a little tired from walking the hill with heavy stuff in the hot weather, but we made it. So yeah, so I'm gonna relax a little bit. Then I'm gonna cook some dinner. So I'm gonna see you at dinner time. Okay, I just finished my dinner. Didn't really take a video because I was busy with cooking, eating, and cleaning. So yeah, I was just a lot of things to think about it. So yeah, I couldn't take a video for that. But I have some rice with eggs, some hams and noodles. So it was really nice dinner. Some salads. So yeah, you can see that kitchen is really clean as I clean it, and you can see the music on the piano. I practice a little bit, because school started in a couple of weeks, and then I want to start back to my normal routine for practice. So I can start working on my pieces for my junior recital, which is on next spring. It's coming up pretty soon, so let's start working on it. It's crazy, like time is flying, and then only 2 more years to go, and then I'm graduating, so it's crazy to think about it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. This was a pretty normal vlog. I was not really traveling or performing or having amazing lunch. I had an amazing dinner with my cooking, so that's something, right? But it was pretty normal. But I still hope you enjoy this vlog. There's more. I know last year, the seventh one was the last one, right? I have total 7 summer vlog last year, but for this summer we still have a couple more, so it's crazy to think about it. This summer has been pretty busy and pretty long, but I really like it. So yeah, I love this. Alright, I'm gonna close this video, and then if you enjoy it, make sure you push the subscribe button, like button, and the notification button, so you can notice when I upload video every time, so you don't miss that. Okay, then I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. Have a wonderful night. Bye bye.